In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow to text in BeFunky. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tools and how to make your text pop with a clean, professional shadow. First, head to the BeFunky dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on the main hub. From here, choose Photo Editor. This opens the workspace where we'll add our image and start working with text. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. The layout is straightforward, with tools on the left and your canvas in the center. Next, let's bring in the image you want to work on. Click Open, then choose Computer. Navigate to the photo on your device and select it. Give it a moment to load onto the canvas. If your image looks small, use the zoom controls to fit it nicely on screen so you can see your text clearly as you edit. Now it's time to add your text. On the left-hand toolbar, click Text. You'll see options appear for managing text on your project. Click Add Text, and a text box will appear on the canvas. Type in your headline, title, or caption. You can click and drag the text box to position it exactly where you want. In the text settings, adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. High contrast color choices work best when you plan to add a shadow. Think light text over a darker background, or vice versa. With your text in place, let's create the shadow effect. In the text settings panel, click Shadow, Glow. This opens the controls you'll use to add depth. Turn on the shadow option if it isn't active, then adjust the color and opacity. A darker color with moderate opacity usually looks natural. Use the blur or softness slider to make the shadow feel more realistic. Too sharp can look harsh, while a little blur gives it a subtle lift. Adjust the offset controls to move the shadow horizontally and vertically. This determines the direction of your light source. Small consistent offsets often rate as professional, while larger offsets can create a bold, poster-style look. If you explore glow in the same panel, keep it subtle, especially for readability on busy backgrounds. Take a moment to zoom out and check the overall balance. If the text looks heavy, reduce opacity or blur slightly. If it blends too much, increase contrast by changing the text color or deepening the shadow. That's it. You opened your image, added text, and polished it with shadow/glow for standout visuals. Pause and tweak until it feels just right, and you're done.